Hello friends, we are now with the most important tense. All the tenses are important, but most important tense in English. The simple present, and we have seen how to generate a tense in the simple present by S. So it's the third person singular. You know eat and then eats. You know distribution. I eat, you eat, then we eat, you eat, they eat. He eats, she eats, it eats. Okay, that is clear. Now, next we saw how to make negative. For example, we'll see this once again. I eat, you eat, he, third person singular, she, it, eats. See that? Then we eat, you eat, and they eat. Third person plural. Third person means all those things which are not I, you, and we. If you want to find out the third person, you just ask, is it I, you? For example, tree is flowering. Is it I? No. Is it you? No. Is it we? No. So, third person. Tree is third person. Almara stands in the middle of the room. So, is it I? No. Is it you? No. Is it we? No. So, it is third person. Now we know how to make the negative by inserting do. Or insert do. You have to see. If you want to say he eats, you have to say he do eats. Then S is taken and added here, then it becomes does. So he does eat. See, the S is here. And then you have got the negative, he does not eat. And you have got short form, he doesn't eat. So that is how you make the. So you know what is the yes or no question? Just change the places, that's all. So that is a he eats. Again you have to say he does eat. And does he eat? Yes or no? Then you have WH question. He eats mango. He eats rice. Easier for you. He do eat. He do eats rice. He does. Says is added here. Does eat rice. Does he eat rice? What does he eat? What does he eat? I think up to this we have come. Simple. So from this what you understand is that there is only one sentence item. So what do? You want to make negative, make some changes. You want to make a yes or no question, make some changes. And the WH question also, make some changes. Because the core is the same. See, as we can see, the main thing, the stuff is the same, but you are making different things. Just as with the wheat flour, you can make chapati, you can make puri, you can make jalebi, you can make laddu, you can a lot of things you can. Laddu, I don't know whether you can make with wheat flour. So like that. It is exactly like that, no difference at all. Or with wood, you can make almara, you can make table, you can make a stool, you can make cupboards, you can make decorative items and things like that. So it's exactly like that. Now we come to the passive, very easy. Remember, what is the formula passive? NB1 plus active, NBVP plus NB2. Or in good old days we will say subject plus verb plus object. So what is the formula? Formula is shift. This will come here and this will go here. Isn't it? That's what happens in passive. So what we will do here is, you will see NB2 first, and then we have got VP, and you have got you have to be VP, okay, that's the VP plus NB1. by also is by plus NB1. Isn't it? Yeah. Then you have to make some insertions and so on. Then it will be alright. Okay. Let's see. The cow eats grass. So what is the in verb phrase, as far as the verb phrase is concerned, all passives you have got only one formula. To be plus past participle. So what you have to do is the grass. Cow is grass. Grass, and bring here. Then to be. Grass is singular third person. Is. Isn't it? Grass is past participle of the given verb. Eaten by the cow. So that is the passive. Grass is eaten by the cow. You have to insert appropriate form of to be. Third person singular and therefore is. To be plus past participle of the given verb. Eaten by the cow. Very simple. That is present, simple present passive. Okay, we will do more sentences, then you can understand. So this is the to be plus past participle is the passive. To be anywhere you will find that. For example, you remember present continuous. There also you all what you have to do is see the cow is eating grass. So what will you do? Grass is eaten by the cow. Now what you have to do is continuous tense you have to also add being. So grass is being, this is continuous. Grass is being eaten by the cow. See, is eaten, same. Just now we saw the person. So to be plus past participle is passive. According to the aspect. Like for example, continuous, okay, then perfect and so on. You have to add different forms of be also. In this case, it is being because it is continuous. Right. Okay. Now this is very simple. But when you get, the problem here is that when you get questions, what you will do. As I told you, questions you should simplify first. But how to simplify? Make them turn into a statement. That's it. See, for example, we said, does he read books? So what to do? Turn to a statement. This together should go, no? Then he reads books. Now it's easy. Books, third person singular, third person plural are. Past participle is read. So books are read by him. So that. Now turn that into a question. Are books read by him? Now this is the answer. These are the steps. So whenever you get a problem sentence like this, questions, as if you look at this, where is the NB1, NB2, etc. There is NB1, you have to turn that into a statement. Then you will get the NB1. And once you have got the NB1, VP, NB2, then you move the NB2. And then add to be, appropriate form of to be plus first participle. So then again turn that into a question. And you know how to make a question. First part of the verb should be brought in the beginning. Alright, let's see why I entered this question. How are you going to do that? Okay. Sorry. We said like this. What do you do? So that is, what do you do? Now how are you going to do this? You will think, oh, where is NB1 and NB2? There is. See? Subject of this sentence is you do. You do, that's all. You do what? How did he get it? Do insertion. See, If you say you do that instead of what? That. Okay, how will you make the question? You have to insert do. Then do you that you cannot do. So insert do. Then you will get you do that. Understand? What is the yes or no question? Do you do that? W is question. Instead of this, what? Bring what at the beginning? What do you do? Question. Haha. Very simple. When you look at this, what do you do? Where is the MB1? Where is the MB2? And all that. See, you have it. But this is the MB1. You do that. Next, you have to make the what one yes or no question. So you need to see he eats. How do you make this? He do eats. And then it becomes he does eat. Like that. Alright. Then what will you do? That's the next question. So these are questions. What do you do? I suppose you understand. You do that, alright? Yes, good. And then now it's easy. Okay? You do that. That will be that you do. What is the passive? You do that. So that will become first. So that is done. To be plus past participle. Is because third person singular. Done this one. Done by you. So instead of that, you have the question word. What? So what is done by you is the passive of what you do. What is done by you? What do you do? Understand? How do you do? How is it done by you? How is? What is? Alright. Let's see another word, the does. Then things will become easy. Okay. Which sentence you want? Does he write a story? Does he write a story? Passive. First you simplify this. He writes a story. Statement. Now it's easy. A story is written by him. Make it a question. Is a story written by him? Answer. So the answer of does he write a story is a story written by him. The other things I have done step by step just to show you how we arrived at this one. Clear? Fine. Okay. Let's do another one. Because questions are difficult to understand. Yes. Alright. How does he do? How does he do it? How does he do it? Simplify it. He does do it how? Does do it be he does. He does it how? Now, he does it how? Passive will be it is done. It is done by him how? Question has to be brought here. First you should the yes or no question. Is it done by him? Now the question word. How How is it done by him? See that? So the answer of how does he do it? Answer is how is it done by him? How does he do it? How is it done by him? Understand? Simple? Yes. Statements is unimportant because it is so simple now in this case. The passive formula is always to be plus past passive. You are asked, sometimes you will add being, sometimes you will add been, etc. That depends on the aspect. Understand that? Aspect means whether it is continuous or whether it is perfect. Simple tense is no problem at all. Alright, let's do one more. Who teaches English? Okay? Who teaches English? Now who? No need of any what? What? No need of inserting do. So that's why you say who teaches English. Now what will happen is who is he instead of he teaches English. Who can be substituted by he? Now it's easy. English is taught to be plus past by him. And instead of him, you have used whom. Whom. And question by whom? By whom? By who teaches him? By whom is English taught? By whom is English taught? Who teaches English? By whom is English taught? Listen. Yeah. Simple. Hope you are following me. No doubt? No doubt. Why should there be any doubt? Because I am very explicit. Okay. Thus he write a letter. Simple. Thus write will become writes. He a letter. Simple. A letter is written. Third person singular by him. Question: is a letter written by him? Question: does he write a letter? Passive is a letter written by him? Listen. Tomorrow we will do an exercise, then things will be more clear. So, statement is very easy. Yes or no question you have to simplify. W is a question also you have to simplify. You make them statements and then slowly move. First yes or no question, then W is a question. So that is how it can be done, and so it becomes very easy for you. Bye. Have a nice time. Hope you are enjoying my grammar classes. Then you must subscribe and also share your liking with your friends. That will be a great help for me. Bye.